Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can remove team members from your Slack workspace really quickly. For example, if they have become inactive or stopped working for you or with you. So guys, let me show you really quickly how to remove them from your projects here on Slack really quickly. It is actually super simple. Head over to Slack, log into your account and select your workspace here in the top left corner from that list. And what you want to do after that is hover your mouse over Tools and Settings here. And here to the right from the drop-down menu, simply select Manage Members under the Administration section. That is going to take you to your Workspace's Admin Management section. So what you want to do here, guys, is simply browse through that list of all members of your workspace and simply make your decision, for example, by clicking on these three dots here next to the given member's name and by selecting Remove from the workspace. As you can see, there's no option like that for that member here because that member hasn't joined my workspace yet. But for your members who have already joined your workspace, you will see that option once you click on these three dots to remove the given user from your workspace. You see also the status here to the right, inactive, active, invited, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.